Is your party membership a genuine political opportunity or just another poorly executed online scheme? That's the question many people in the UK are asking right now, as this brand new political group has rolled out its official membership website, and the reaction hasn't been exactly glowing. Across Reddit and other social platforms, users are calling the site confusing, unprofessional, and in some cases, even outright dodgy. When you look deeper, there are a few big concerns that keep coming up. First, the design of the website itself feels rushed and unfinished, which might not sound like a huge issue at first, but for a political party that's supposed to be serious about representing people, presentation matters. If a site looks sloppy, people immediately start questioning whether the organization behind it is equally unprepared. Then there's the much bigger issue: data safety and GDPR compliance. In today's world, users are extremely sensitive about where their information goes, and if a party is asking people to hand over personal details and payment info, the process has to be airtight. Many users have said the checkout and payment systems feel unclear and untrustworthy, which raises a red flag before anyone even presses the join button. And beyond the tech side, there's the question of readiness. Is your party really organized enough to welcome members, or are they jumping ahead without having the basics nailed down? A political movement lives or dies based on credibility, and the first impression this website gives off is shaky at best. That doesn't necessarily mean it's a scam, but it also doesn't scream reliability either. The truth is, when people are already unsure about new political voices, the last thing you want is to fuel doubt with sloppy execution. So while the idea might have potential, the way it's being delivered right now could end up hurting their chances before they even properly get started.